In the aftermath of wildfires, you might expect a barren wasteland, but nature has a quirky trick up its sleeve. Enter the fire beetle, a creature that thrives on chaos. These beetles have special sensors to detect heat from miles away, leading them to freshly burned forests. Why? Because they lay their eggs in the charred wood, where predators are scarce and food is abundant. This unexpected partnership helps ecosystems bounce back as beetles aid in decomposition and nutrient cycling. Like, comment, and subscribe for more fascinating stories like this.